Hello everyone, this is me Randy and welcome back to a brand new video. First and foremost, I want to mention that I am using a microphone for the first time here on this channel, so I hope that you all enjoy the difference of audio quality for this video, and I can't wait to use this microphone more in future videos. But yes, as you can see here, I have a box, which means it is time for another unboxing video. And once again, it is an order from SuRuGaYa, which I am so happy to have placed another order from SuRuGaYa. So this haul here is going to be a very interesting one because there's a lot of really interesting and fun items that I ordered this time around, but there's also a lot of variety too. There's pro wrestling, there's J-pop, K-pop, and also some storage and organizing supplies that I ordered as well. So yes, it's a little bit of everything in this haul, but no anime or manga goods, unfortunately. But next time, or even video game goods, but next time there's a couple of items that I've been looking at that I may acquire for the next haul, which will be no time soon. I'm gonna try to take a break from using SuRuGaYa and save up some funds to place another order sometime in the near future. But yes, I hope that you all enjoy this unboxing video. Thank you so much. And of course, if you have any questions on any of the items that were featured in this video, feel free to comment down below. And of course, as always, I hope that you all enjoy the rest of the video. Thank you so much for watching. And I did actually get this order a few days earlier than expected. Today is Friday, March 27th, and it was supposed to arrive on the 30th. So I'm glad that I got it a couple of days early, but unfortunately I did have to pay a whopping $20 in tariffs, which, you know, that sucks, but hey, at least I got my package a few days earlier than expected. So yeah. Other than that, that's all I have to say for the intro for the video. Thank you so much for watching once again. And as always, this has been me, Randy, and I will see and talk to you on the next video. Take care, and let's open up this box. It's a fairly decent size box. I've gotten bigger boxes from SuRuGaYa, but this one is a nicer, smaller box. But yes, thanks so much for watching, and let's continue on with the rest of the unboxing video. Alrighty, it is me, Randy, and I'm back because I have an extra item to unbox for you all. And I recorded everything, the SuRuGaYa unboxing portion and even the outro. And then when I checked my phone, I saw that I had a notification from Mercari US that an item arrived, and I forgot to get this item from my mailbox when I entered my house. So I had to run outside to grab it, and I'm glad I did because I'm excited to share with you all this item, and it is J-pop related. And recently, Mercari US had a 10% off coupon code to be used for anything K-pop related, and it also included for anything that was J-pop related too. So I used it for an item that I've been eyeing for quite some time now, and I'm glad to add it to my collection. So yes, thank you all so much for watching this extra portion of the video, and yeah, I hope that you all enjoy the outro. And of course, I did already film the outro before I grabbed this item, so this item will not be included in the outro, but I really am glad that I have it in the collection. But yes, thank you so much for watching, and let's continue on with this extra portion for this unboxing video. So that is it for this very fun SuRuGaYa haul, and as always, thank you so much for watching. I never thought in a million years I would have this album in my collection, but here we are. We have them. We have them. The infamous Golden Lovers album, and I'm happy to have it. And of course, for those that do not know, Kenny Omega, he is going to be in another AEW World Heavyweight Championship match against MJF, so fingers crossed that he wins another AEW Championship, and hopefully Kota Ibushi will be there to support him. So yes, exciting times. Finally, I have Romeo in the collection. I cannot stress enough how difficult this album is to find, either the original Korean release or the Japanese release. We have it. We have it in the collection, and up until now, my shiny Japanese, or excuse me, Korean music album collection is up to date. I'm not sure if I want to collect their Japanese albums now that I'm done with their Korean albums, but we'll see about that. So, and of course, it was announced that Shiny World 7 is a thing, or 6? Is it Shiny World 6 or 7? Anyway, Shiny World is happening again, so perfect timing, perfect timing. Oh my gosh, I cannot believe I pulled my boy, I pulled my man, I got his photo card. Oh my gosh, I don't tend to pull my biases or my Oshis too often in photo cards, so whenever I do, it is a treat. And also Psychic Fever, they're having a comeback. Perfect timing, perfect timing. My best boy came through. But no, I really am excited to be adding Psychic File 3 finally in the collection. So yes, Psychic Fever collection is up to date until the new album comes out. Can't wait for that. And of course, you know, I gotta talk about my boy Kaisuke. I finally got a standee for him, so excited to add that to the growing Kaisuke collection, and I hope to get a standee for Suzuki real soon. And of course, the 3 storage items that I got are exciting for me, at least. Can't wait to see what I'm going to be using these binders for. But yeah, that's it. This was a really fun SuRuGaYa haul, and I'm glad I was able to share it all with you. So yes, once again, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you all enjoyed the video, and as always, I will see and talk to you on the next one. Take care.